I become a big boy. This is like the little boy who says that when he becomes a big boy, he will do this and that and will be happy. And when he becomes a big boy, he says that when he finish college, he will be happy. And when he finishes college, he say that when he gets his first job, he will be happy. And when he gets his first job, he says that when he gets married, then he will be happy. And when he gets married, he says that when the kids get out of school, he will be happy. And when the kids get out of school, he says that when he retires, he will be happy. And when he retires, what does he see? He sees life has just gone by in front of his eyes. It's too late. Some people practice procrastination by hiding behind high sounded words, saying, I'm analyzing. Or a month later or 6 months later, they are still analyzing. What they don't realize is that they are suffering from a disease called paralysis by analysis, and they will never succeed. Learn lots of things from this passage, friend. First, you can learn use of simple present and simple future tense combination. Second thing, you can learn use of just in present perfect tense, like that life has just gone by in front of his eye. Okay, and you can learn also in front of, this is preposition. Okay, and fourth thing, you can learn I am analyzing, I am suffering, they are suffering, they are suffering from, they are still analyzing. So these are present continuous tense you can learn from this passage. Thank you so much, friend. Let's see in the next video.